Hi everyone, this is Ali Rezaie, the director of the GI Motility Program and also the director of the biotechnology at the MAST Program at Cedars-Sinai. I'm very excited to present data on how palatable elemental diet affects the visceral fat, along with changes in gut hormones and also gut microbiome. Elemental diets are fully digestible meal replacements without allergens or food additives and induce beneficial effects on gut microbiome. We previously have shown in a clinical trial that they improve the GI symptoms and they caused weight loss and also visceral fat loss. In this study, we wanted to see how this visceral fat loss is induced by palatable elemental diet, specifically in palatable elemental diet. We enrolled 30 subjects with the average age of 46 and 64% of them were female. We asked them to take M-Biota elemental diet for 2 weeks and then reintroduce their regular diet for another 2 weeks, and we followed them. We measured the body composition, the blood biomarkers for GLP-1, and also we checked their stool with shotgun metagenomics for gut microbiome assessment. Participants lost an average of 9.6% of their visceral fat after elemental diet, and 2 weeks after reintroduction of regular diet, this increased to 11.2% visceral fat loss. Both of these numbers were highly statistically significant, and they correlated with gut microbiome changes that were sustained beyond use of palatable elemental diet. In addition, we saw that leptin levels dropped, which is a marker of total body fat loss. But more importantly, we saw that GLP-1 levels increase after palatable elemental diet, especially at the end of this study, which was a very interesting finding. In summary, palatable elemental diet leads to sustained visceral fat loss for at least 2 weeks after the elemental diet, and that is correlating with gut microbiome changes along with changes in gut hormones, including GLP-1. This opens a very exciting opportunity to assess the mechanistic effects of elemental diet on gut physiology and visceral fat loss. Also, don't forget to look at our other studies, including elemental diet and multiple other exciting areas in gut microbiome and GI physiology. Thank you for listening.